Hello everyone, my name is Jack. I work for OxygenHealthSystems, and today I'm going to be showing you how much room is in our Elite Serene Max sitting chamber. With this chamber, they're all pretty universal. They're all going to be, I believe it's 88 inches in length, and as you can see, they're all pretty much the same size. So this should be a fairly universal video. They chose me to do the video because I am standing at about 6'1", something around there, about 200 to 210 body weight. So getting into the chamber is not too difficult. We do have these ballet bars that you can purchase to make it an easier process. Just step in. We'll have to move this flap, raise it up a little bit, then scoot on back. Mind, the chamber is not inflated right now, so when it is inflated you will have a lot more room vertically, but footroom wise I am pushed all the way to the back of the chamber. We do have our sitting green chair in here, and I mean you could probably fit someone who's 7 feet tall in here if I had to guess. So plenty of room inside the sitting chambers. If you lounge back, my head is nowhere near the ceiling, and then I can stretch my feet all the way down.